peeps, hope everybody's well. Today we are starting 10 days of salads from around the world. So today's day one, we're doing Mexican salad tonight. I have done a bit of pre-prep, so I have done some diced tomatoes, diced onions, coriander, some jalapeno chilies, and then put that into this bowl and then put some lime in there. And this is about like maybe an hour and a half ago, and then left that just to sit and stew, let those flavors get together. This was recommended to me by somebody who knows about this more than I do. Then we're gonna do a minute steak, chopped it up, popped it on top of that with the salad, and then some of the usual avo and stuffs. So I will stop talking and I will just show.